I did my very own skills week. It was really fun and I really enjoyed it, and it's great to pass on my new skills to these new kids coming in.
So we arrived on Monday, just had a tour around the factory, which was really interesting, and then from there we started making Da Vinci's like catapult.
I would like to go for the apprenticeship next year at Silverson's so I can learn about this, and I'm quite interested in machines and everything. I'm more of a practical type of learner, and I like to just get my hands dirty and everything and just get on with work and everything.
Well, I've done like graphics and stuff at school, and I'm just quite interested in engineering, and it just seemed like the sort of workplace that I might want to go into if I was going to. Yeah, I think you need to get both sides of it, because if you don't know how it's going to be made, you can't design it in the first place, and to design it you need to like understand all the little bits of like a product to be able to make it.
I really enjoyed my week that much that I just wanted, from that day on, I just wanted to be an engineer, and I loved the working environment and the people, and it was just great fun.
Very well organised as a company, because they have everything set out properly, whereas other companies may just not have it set out in the correct manner.
Yeah, Anthony taught me how to use the machines, taught me how to like work out the angles and like how to cut things properly, and milling, drilling, all of the drill components and everything.
Most of the machines I'd used before, I just hadn't used the lathe and the mill before, but there was only like a few little bits I had to redo. On the whole, it was quite simple once we've been talked through it by the apprentices. I think it's good. We just have a laugh about it. If something goes wrong, we'll just have a laugh about it and then carry on and do it again. So it's not like they won't have a go at you if anything goes wrong or anything.
You have to learn how to do everything properly, and then after like the first few days you know how to do everything, so it makes it much easier towards the end.
It went okay. There was a bit like few errors, but we managed to fix that. One of the difficulties was when we put the balloons in, it didn't really like go as far, so we had to like put something around it and then managed to like go further.
Yeah, it's great to teach the new people techniques that I learned from when Jason was helping us with our catapult. And it's just great to get these guys involved into engineering. It definitely enhances my skills, because I can see and reflect on how much I've learned over the few months that I've been here.
Decorate it nice, yeah. Give it time to decorate, make it look nicer, maybe just adjust it so it makes it go further. A bit big, maybe shouldn't be painted, but better than no wheels.
Nice green colour with a load of black splodges over it. We all have great catapults, and I think we all have a chance of winning this evening.
Like I wet myself already.